Gotta get a bibig.
Bibig.
Gotta get a welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl me, and I'm back with the video. Alright, so you can see the title. This is what we've been waiting on, planning on, waiting for, getting ready for. Okay, so your girl is in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and I'm not gonna talk much in this vlog. I'm just getting straight into it, telling y'all what we're doing, showing y'all what we're doing. So right now it is like, where's my phone? 6. Oh, it's 7. We gotta be downstairs at 8. Today we are going horseback riding, bamboo rafting, and ATV riding. That's all we got planned today. It's supposed to rain around 3, so I'm glad we're getting up early and getting it over with. So that's what we gonna be doing. I'm about to do my makeup right quick. Y'all, it's definitely, I can't believe it. Like, I can't believe that I'm in Jamaica. It's so different here. They drive on opposite sides. I didn't know that. Maybe I'm just dumb, but I didn't know that. But it's beautiful here. You know, from the airport to get here, you can just see like the true Jamaica out there. Cause you know we staying on a resort, but you can see like the buildings. It's beautiful. So yeah, the airport experience was crazy. Crazy, y'all. We got off the plane maybe 3. We didn't leave the airport till like 5:30, y'all. It was crazy and packed. It was crazy packed. Like, I'm not even joking. It was really too much. Too much going on. But at least now, this is my first time out of the country, but now I know, like, I don't know, I just can prepare my mind. So we didn't do nothing yesterday. I didn't even vlog. I did get some videos and stuff, but, you know, I'm going to be on TikTok heavy. Heavy. I'm going to be on TikTok heavy. My goal for this vlog is to vlog, but also have fun. So I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to basically be talking when I'm getting ready, and maybe a little bit when we out. But when we out, I just want to be recording. Like, I don't want to be talking. First of all, this is going to be a long vlog to edit, for one. And I'm editing it. So I definitely didn't want to be too long. Right now I'm about to do my makeup. We're going horseback riding first. I'm about to get all the good pictures. I did forget setting spray. I meant to buy some because I don't never have any. But we're doing something simple today. Oh, I do got my mascara. Thank the Lord, y'all. Because I didn't get lashes this time. And I was sad, but then again, I was like, whatever. Like, it'll be okay. So, I'm about to do this up. And I'm going to holler back when I get, like, close to done. I'm going to show y'all what I'm wearing. And we're going to get tea into that. But we're not talking long this vlog. We getting straight into it and we having fun, okay? I did my little skincare routine last night and I feel like, I feel like the skin definitely did what it was supposed to do for this trip. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I did my makeup and this is my bathing suit. I can't show the whole thing right now, but I'm gonna show it out there. But I definitely ate with this makeup. Alright, y'all, so this the look, and I'm gonna give y'all more when we go out. So, oh, this is not the completed look though. I have a cute cover up thing, but yeah, I think I'm gonna leave my hair down. It's still tight, so I'm gonna leave it down. I don't think I'm gonna play with the baby hairs because I have natural baby hairs, like, so I'm gonna leave it. But let's get into it. You can tell? Alright, y'all. So I person not here yet. I driving not here yet. We out here at the beach and this is my full outfit. Didn't get it. And y'all, look at the water. It's just so nice. And I'm about to run in it, but I'm nervous. Yeah. Oh, I got my shoes on. Alright, y'all. You recording still?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to go get it. You gotta come close.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Yeah, you're gonna be pulling my eyes if you wanna see a crux. Make a night noise and make it come out.
Look in my eyes.
Oh my goodness.
We both know it's wrong, but you're still.
What's up, y'all? So it's day 3 but 2 of vlog day, and right now we're about to go downstairs and take pictures. It's beautiful, and also I took pictures last night, so I'm going to see what they look like, and then we're gonna eat breakfast. And right now this vlog ain't as long as I thought it would be, but I'm glad because I don't want to edit it, and I kind of been having fun. I wasn't able to vlog on the horseback riding or the ATV. Y'all, the horseback riding, it was raining. My eyes was burning because the water was all in my eyes. My horse felt like it was about to tip on over, and I wasn't. It was fun though. It was fun, but I was scared, so I didn't vlog. I wasn't able to. But we about to go down. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit on the beach. So we about to go. Y'all, I can't believe we out here in Jamaica. Jamaica, man. It looks beautiful. The rocks. I'm taking pictures out here. It's so nice out here. Oh, I'm gonna have to show y'all in the light. This is my outfit. Taking pictures, everything from Shein. So I'm out here, we enjoying Jamaica. It's nice. Ooh, a spider web. It's nice out here, y'all. And it's hot right now. But I'm gonna hit y'all back. We about to go eat breakfast. Alright, y'all, so I got some toast, Greek sausage, bacon, some mixed with vegetables, steamed vegetables, but it looked like hash to me. You know, I'm from the country, so I'm just going with what it looks like. Alright, y'all, so I had to switch seats because the light was sitting on this side, so I put him over there. So far, I love the people here in Jamaica. They are so sweet, and it's like they're all about their people, you know, black, I should say. And they really show us a lot of love. When we went ATV riding, we literally got to ride through like a forest, the country basically, and y'all, they have mountains that are so beautiful, and they got houses that literally sit on the very top. You know, I just want to do a toast to vacation in Jamaica. I think this must really be my color because I've been getting so many compliments about this outfit. So we came literally just in time. It's 10:27. Like just in time. We're not doing nothing today.
Well, you aggravated.
Well,
Switching seats.
yeah, the light was over here. Huh? Oh, good morning. I had to get the light.
I said it when I was on the way walking out.
Really? And they got a swim up bar. So I'm probably change outfits, take more pictures and different outfits. Find some way to do my hair different. And I want to go to the swim up bar. Excuse me. Go to the swim up bar and have fun. So good morning.
Nope. Just pineapple juice?
I got a mimosa.
From where, in the middle?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done eating. So we're back at lunch. Today I got some jerk chicken. I think it's like roast rice, potatoes, and corn. Perfect. Orange chicken. It's a different outfit though. I did my hair a little different. I tied it up. I left the back down and I got some tubing antennas. Look y'all. Every time somebody asks me where I'm from, and I say South Carolina, and they be like, "No, where are you born?" Like they don't believe I'm from the U.S. Like a lot of people think I'm from, I don't know. Like someone thought I was from Nigeria. Me personally, I see that as a compliment because. You know, them girls were pretty down there. Like, thank you. Earrings. Everything I got is from Shein, y'all. So, go to Shein, hurry up. It might still be there, it might not. Yes.
went to the, they said that.
People always ask me that where I'm from.
Remember that one brown guy that was for 40? He's like, man, the red one, water splash, because it's almost as if he's almost falling. It goes up.
They call me an African queen. Because that's what I am.
It was
Period.
black.
Man.
I was in there and it was so long.
Let me try back.
I was afraid that it was going to stop.
I'm trying to vlog more today because I really didn't vlog at all this trip. I'll get y'all back tonight because we eating hibachi, so.
So what, was it something right here?